It's all looking pretty good. So this is all pretty much in now. I'm just going to pair the other phone to it and set CarPlay up, and just like I'll make a call. You'll get a couple, you got to hook like Bluetooth to it, and then you get a few pop-ups on your phone, and that'll basically deal with it all. That'll give you CarPlay, wireless CarPlay going on. The glove box here I just need to put back in. Obviously I'll tidy up these, and there should be a third USB tucked down here somewhere. I think there you go, third USB. We'll use one of these for DAB. To pull this off, you just got to like push it in, and then you've also got like this on the end here, so you need to pull that off. It just actually, if you put a like force on it going like that way, it'll pop down. But there you have it. So you got a wireless CarPlay. I was going to just make a test call now to make sure it all sounds good. Obviously you've still got your controller here working, so if I got my volume on here, or let's say I want to go back to the home page or the radio, that all still works. And obviously steering wheel controls are still working. We can put it into reverse. We used our camera here for this reverse camera, so you can see it's HD, so she's pretty crystal clear. And actually you still have some of your sort of maintenance information in here. Fuel economy, you've still got most your car like settings in here. And obviously you got some of the stuff coming in, which is obviously isn't too much a use sometimes, but it comes in just by default. I'm using the buttons down on the center console here to do this stuff. Yeah, so that's basically everything. Obviously you can install whatever apps you want on here. It's got the Play Store, HD screen. That one's going to be CarPlay and Android Auto, like wireless, which the majority of people are going to like use it for. But if you do want to install other apps, you can do. So all looking good. The install is a little bit time consuming because of the cables. If you do have the Bose like setup, you'll run the cables down to this other one down here. So out of 5, like 5 being the hardest, like I'd put this installed at a 3. It's time consuming. It's going to take you like 4 hours to do it. Just by the time you like run the cables in, obviously like tuck them back down and whatnot. But it's all done, and it's a good upgrade, because I do know on these models I think the factory system can fail sometimes.